friend, this afternoon we are cleaning this part of the traditional Cambodian house and see what I have spotting inside this garden. And follow me, don't be surprised, don't be scary. I'm not going to touch them, just watching, window shopping, okay? Do not touch. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Another scorpion. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, scorpion. Yes. They are benefit to the planet. They keep the balance system, ecosystem and planet. So those spiders, they are a little bit dangerous, but they are so important for the planet and human life. So we're not going to kill them. Just take video and get them away from our garden. Hello, my friends, I'm going to clean this garden, okay? They're done yesterday and this afternoon we're doing again. But I want to open what is hiding in this doorway that left long time ago. Maybe a home to some insect. Follow me, I just check it out, okay? Do not touch, do not killing. Just watch, window shopping only. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, look. Oh my God, the kingdom of scorpion here. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the frog, look at the frog here. The frog here, and then they are live together with the scorpion. A great harmony, a balance between scorpion and the frog. Oh my goodness. They don't fight each other. They just great harmony. This is the way how the nature live together. Thank you very much. A lot of them. I'm going to get rid of this one before cleaning up the garden, okay? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Absolutely their territory. A lot of food here. There, look at it. We're going to get it. The scorpion from the working site, put in box, make sure that we are safe. Woo! Not to be bitten by the scorpion, okay? Right. Yeah, two. Man. Oh my goodness. Get it. Go, right. Sorry. Go away from our working site, okay? Alright, we're not going to kill you. So get away from working site. We don't want you to be stingers. Okay, go to you. Oh my God! Don't you believe that? Don't you believe that, my friend? What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness! Do you know what you call in English? I don't know. Anybody know what you call in English? Scorpion? No, it's not scorpion. Oh, black scorpion. Oh my goodness. So powerful, so strong. Look at it. And it's a baby here. Oh my god. You see this? This is a big one. A great powerful scorpion. And look at this. This is a baby. You see the baby one? This is a baby one. Baby scorpion. Yeah. Oh, where's daddy? Anybody know where's daddy? Anybody you know where's a daddy scorpion? Oh my god. Look at a mommy and a baby. But the daddy has gone. See. Oh, amazing. Incredible life, you know. Alright, my friends, go back to your home, okay? Do not come back to where the people living. Because people sometimes good, sometimes no good, okay? People are very aggressive. Not like you. You know how to keep the planet balance, a good ecosystem. Now go back to your territory and reunite with your family, okay? Bye-bye. See you again.